Woo! Beep beep! What is up, ninjas? My name is Serum, and one of you guys said I should do that for the intro of my videos, even though it's kind of copying my favorite YouTuber who I follow to smell good. But today's topic of discussion, guys, is hot. That's why I'm kind of sweaty. And we're going to be discussing the Brooks technique that he did in one of his master classes that everyone was asking me, how can you do it easier or how could you do it better? Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, Brooks did a master class where he showed how he made one of his songs, and one of his tricks is that he adds pitch automations to his drop MIDI in order to achieve a sound that sounds a little bit more alive, like it's alive, not dead, because no one likes messing with dead things. So with the technique I'm about to show you guys, you're going to be able to achieve the same technique he does, but at the same time it will open up the doors if you want to go for more Ollie James, Blasterjack's kind of legato drops, or if you want to go with the Brooks technique but a little bit different. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is go to the synth of your choice. Now I'm going to be using Serum as an example here. Now on the bottom right of Serum, I can activate the mono, and that's what I'm going to do first, which is only going to allow me to play one note at a time. But in exchange for that, I'm going to be able to activate the legato now, and I'm going to be able to give it portamento time. Now what we want to do here is give a very high portamento time, like around a minute or 2 minutes for the Brooks effect. Now I call portamento the lazy synth in a way, because it's kind of like making the synth kind of lag to get to the next frequency when the MIDI notes are overlapping. Don't worry about me, I'm gonna get there eventually. Now we're gonna be using this to our advantage to get the Brooks technique, and easily what you're gonna be doing is going into your MIDI notes, and you're literally just gonna be putting little dots on top of them, like on the same notes up an octave. You can choose different notes if you want and get a different result, but this is all we're gonna be doing, as you're gonna see here. So here we have before, and here we have after. You can see the drop kind of sounds a little bit more exciting on this, and that's because of that. Now, taking this even further, we can make different kind of jungle terror drops if you want by just lowering the portamento time to get the synth to really get like a kind of vibe to it. And this is easily achievable by just, again, the programming of the synth, as I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick technique and this quick video that I wanted to make for you guys so that you guys can achieve the same effect. So hopefully you guys enjoy this technique and this tip that I'm giving to you guys to achieve the same effect that Brooks achieves in his music. As always, guys, let me know in the comments down below on tutorial suggestions you guys would like to see. And if you want to check out that video I made on 5 things you need to learn from the Brooks masterclass, make sure to wait till the end of the video where you will see something pop up very cool and you can click on it. With that being said, ninjas, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video.